Hi guys, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Ambe and Jai Sainath. Welcome to my channel, Abhigna, Patel and Ayansh Daily Masti. Yes, on born peek inside dinosaur. Look at this dinosaur in the window. Yay. Now peek inside the forest and see which you can find. Long ago before there were any people, all kinds of dinosaurs roamed the world. Where is the dinosaur? Look at this. What's making that funny noisy honk honk? This is all red dinosaur. Crack! Look at this crack. What's inside this one? Oh, it's a little dinosaur. One more little baby dinosaur. Dinosaur baby started smell. This baby is smaller than the pine cone, but it's all grow. Look at this. Now, yay, and grow. In the end, it will be bigger than a bus. Look at this. Where is the dinosaur? All the dinosaurs carry away to hide when a tyrannosaur come crashing past. Look at this. Open its mouth to find out why. Roar. Now one more to stop big scary dinosaur from biting them. Look at this. One more here. Wow. And bumpy lumpy tails so they could go. Look at this. Uh-oh. Look at this dinosaur. Now open this one. Oh, nose. Oops. Now munch munch munch. This is a tree. This is a tree. No, it's a big dinosaur. Look at this. It's a branchosaur. It will twice as tall as a house. Now one more. Look at this. The biggest dinosaur of all had long neck. Look at this long neck. Oh, super long tail. See, this is dinosaur. Wow. Oh, other strange. Look at this. One more dinosaur. Oh. Psst, psst. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Now one more here. Dinosaur. And what's thing picking out of the sea? Oh. Now this one, look at this. Oh. This is a museum. Look at this. It's very small. And look at this dinosaur. It's big. But we can still go and see them. Look at this dinosaur. Aren't alive anymore. But just imagine if they were. Oh no. So thank you guys. And so the video please like, share and subscribe. Dinosaur. Bye bye. Bye dinosaur.